we always prefer to share a link or attach the document that we want to add as an or we want to state as an additional input for our readers. Hi, my name is Besurupa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll talk about why we should be stating directly whatever we want to share it with our readers or audience. Many times it happens that to support whatever we are saying or whatever we are sharing with our readers, that we have already worked upon or that we have already seen how it has helped us, we always we go for by sharing the link of the particular document, and also we also go about by attaching the document somewhere there inside our write-up. But does it really work? Because our human minds are very lazy. We generally, what we do, once we get to know that it has been saved, it is going to be there forever, then we start taking it for granted. We keep delaying it, even if we will go through or we will have a glance through it, but then we will not do a deep or will not go through deeply, because we know it is anyway, it is there. I can come back to it at a later point, and or I can use it as and when I want it. So we keep it aside, we delay in coming back to it, we keep delaying it, and the chances go high that we never come back to it even after glancing it or so. But when instead of doing the attachment or sharing the link, if we can share it on the face or on that very moment, or with while writing the piece where we are sharing our experience, if we can state that, even if it is for a few bullet points, then it works really well, both for the readers and as well as for you as a writer. How? When we share whatever the important points that we want to make a note for the readers, then they get a first hand experience of what we are talking, what as a writer you are talking or you want to share them with. And secondly, it will not delay the process for them as well, because otherwise they will have to go finish the reading whatever they are doing, and they have to go back, and they need to go to the where the attachment of the link has been shared, and it is a two-step process. Then third, for you, how it is helpful, because when you will be stating, you will not just state the important points, but also how has it helped you, how has it been beneficial for you, and you can explain it in your terms directly then and there, and it makes a great impact onto the reader's mind. So when you go by that way, uh, it works directly for the readers. And uh, even when you will be, even if you, after that you want to share the documents or share the link or the attachment, yes, definitely you can do that, but not just to consider the option that because you have shared the document you are not talking about it. But when you will be talking about it or sharing the information and state whatever you have got, how you have experienced, and mentioning briefly of the important points, then it will instantly, you can the readers can sense it, how important is it going to be, and then it will act as a double sword. First, they will be they will find it interesting and intriguing, and as soon as they finish up that current reading, instantly immediately they will go back and open the attachment and go through it, and so it will work both for the readers and the writers. For you, for you as a writer, it will be like, it will be it will get reinforced inside your mind. So do not just consider to attach the document because just on the thought that the readers will go back and open. Obviously they will go, they might delay even. I mean, as we stated that there are chances that they will delay, they will keep pushing it, but then when we share it then and there on papers or while talking or whichever mode you chose to, then it works both the ways. So that was about it for today's video, and let me know what else you want for me to come up with when it comes in with relation to writing, improving your writing, and then obviously I'll come up with that. And so that was about it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.